Here's the medium sign. Should we put it outside?
Either it out. Yes.
Like, hello, welcome to our house.
I should make a little one and put a sign behind Mume.
Perfect. Cute. How do we write on it? Paint sign?
Okay, you are the artist.
I feel like Mume would be really good at this.
Mume.
What do we write on it? Oh my gosh, you can do so much. Oh. It's worked.
It's perfect.
Wow.
I love it. Alright, everybody. I guess we're gonna go for today, but
yeah, thanks for watching.
And I'm excited for everybody else to join the freaking server.
Yeah, we can have wars.
Yeah.
We can have betrayals.
I want to get a helicopter.
Can you?
I don't know. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for helping out too.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. I'll see you next stream.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Hey, join us!